Okay, we're going to work on part 10, the tire. Start a sketch. And we're going to start out with some concentric circles here. We'll go at 1.650 for the outer edge one. Then we'll go, let's see, 0.1 in would be 1.550. And then we want, let's see, what is it, 0.03. So 1.550 minus 0.03, whatever that is. That's good. Okay, we got enough circles there now. I'm gonna go ahead and finish that sketch. We're going to extrude, and we're going to pick this outer one here. And first of all, we want this one right here. We want a mid plane, so we have a plane that goes right down to the middle of it. That'll be nice. Click that, and that's supposed to come out 1/2 inch, I believe. 5 inches. So it'll basically be putting 0.25 inches on either side of the mid plane. Okay, so we got that. Okay, we want to do some inside ribs. So what we want to do here is that sketch that we just made was consumed by the feature, the extrusion feature. So we want to open up the extrusion feature. We want to right click on the sketch, and we want to share that sketch. So it puts another out here that we can use then. So I can come here and come to this sketch, and I can edit this sketch, which is nice. So the first thing I want to work on is I want to make those ribs that go all the way around the whole thing. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to get a line, come here, come up to about here, good, and I want it to be, let's see, 4 degrees off either way, so 94 is good. And I'll make another line. Comes up here. 86. So I got those two on there. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit up here on the top. And I'm going to click my trim tool. I'm going to trim that and that and that and that. So I have this little box right here, which is I'm going to extrude to make a rib. So I'll finish the sketch. I'll click extrude. I need to come in here, get in here, see where it's at. And right there I get that highlighted. I'm doing a mid plane again, all from that mid plane. And this is going to be 0.4 length. Okay, so I got that out there now. Okay, what I want to do is, let's move this sort of like this. So I'm going to circular pattern that all the way around the inside. So I need to axis through here in the middle that I can circular pattern it around a reference axis. So I'm going to do an axis, and I'm going to get this through the center of a circle. Click that one, and all I have to do is figure out a center. See if I do a center, either that one or that one. It doesn't really matter. They're both going to give me the same thing. So I'll just click on that. So now I have an axis going through there that I can use to circular pattern. So if I click this again, and I click the circular pattern, it says to select your feature. I'm going to select that rib right there. Then I click on the rotation axis. I'm going to go around this axis, which is coming straight out at me, but if I click on it, you see it turns yellow, so I can click on that. And that puts them all the way around. Now I want 15 of those around there, so I'm going to click 15. Click OK, and now I got them all the way around. Now I'll rotate, now I'll move that around so you can see. So they're inside there now. So all I have to do now is do that little center rib all the way around. And so the way I'm going to do that is I'll hit extrude, and if I zoom in here a little bit, I still have that that one right in there. So I'll click that, do the midpoint, and we're going to go 0.02. Click the green check mark and zoom out a little bit. See if it looks like what we want. Whoop. So there it is, and I got a nice little rib around through the inside. So there's some things on here that you know that kind of you might not want to see visible. I don't usually like them, like that axis right there. So I come over here, I find that axis. There it is, the work axis. I right click on it, I turn the visibility off. I got a lot of drawing sketch lines on here still, so I can come up to this sketch right here, turn visibility off on that, so I can have it that way. I could come up here, click on the color thing, try to come down here so that I get it's all like that. Click on green maybe or something, and there you go. The wheel is all done. Of course, you need to try to emboss your initials on it somewhere.